Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to sum in Excel. So to sum your data in Excel like 25 plus 25. So enter your number. So 25 plus 25, you need answer here. So formula and click on auto sum. So you will see these two rows is selected, then just press enter. So as we can see, we have this result 50, 20 plus 25 plus 25, 50. Similarly, you can sum these data. So select cell where you need result like here, then auto sum. Now press enter and select this data like you need answer for these 3 then press enter. So result will be 100. Similarly, you can enter the any number like now you need answer for these all data. So select the cell where you need answer. So you want to answer and you want to sum these all. So okay, select this cell, then here click on auto sum. Now press enter. So we have answer 365. These all data are 365. So thanks for watching. This is the way guys you can sum data